Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your bank account to Wise. First, log in to your Wise account using a web browser on your computer. Once logged in, locate your profile picture or initials in the top corner and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the settings, you will find an option labeled Connected Accounts. Click on this to start linking your bank account. After selecting Connected Accounts, click the Connect Your Bank Account button. You will then be prompted to choose the currency of your bank account. Proceed to enter your specific bank details, including your account number and routing number. It is crucial to double-check all the information you have entered to ensure it is completely accurate before moving to the next step. Wise often utilizes secure third-party services, such as Plaid, for instant bank verification, especially in countries like the United States. This process may require you to securely log into your online banking portal to confirm your account ownership. Additionally, Wise employs two-step verification, which might involve a code sent to your phone or a notification in the Wise app, adding an important layer of security to your connection. Once you have completed the verification steps, confirm the connection to finalize the linking process. Your bank account is now successfully connected to your Wise profile and ready for use. You can now easily fund transfers or make payments. For example, with a connected US dollar account, you can typically send up to $50,000 every 24 hours, making international transactions straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.